Hello everyone, my name is Asel Sydykova. I'm an international speaker and an author of a best-selling online course, Mission to Million. My online course received multiple national awards on being the best personal development course in Central Asia. And I've been training and coaching people for over 10 years now. I have a great news because I'll be coming to Millionaire Bootcamp to share with you some very simple but very crucial strategies that will help you to make a biggest breakthrough that you've been waiting for a long time now, be it with your personal money and finances or your career or your business. So I'll be showing you also some ways how you can develop yourself to become unstoppable with any goal that you set in life. And despite any crisis, economical or personal crisis that you might experience. So you can, after you know all these strategies and you know all the different ways that you probably didn't use before, you will be able to really overcome your normal results that you usually produce. So you will overcome all your fears, you will stop procrastinating, you actually will start your massive actions. You will also learn how to manage and how to conquer your little voice in your head that will always tells us, sabotage us and tells us that we can do it, we cannot do it, it's not the time, maybe next time, maybe it's not me, maybe I cannot do it, etc., etc. So I will help you, I will teach you how to conquer that little voice in your head and become an absolute top producer, a champion in your field. So please register right now, and I'm looking forward to see you at the Millionaire Bootcamp. Also, I'm gonna share with you my personal story on how the ordinary village girl from Kyrgyzstan becomes a top manager and a director and an international speaker in a big company and speaks for big speakers like Tony Robbins and T. Harv Eker and many other speakers. I also invited, I'm the only person actually in Central Asia who managed to invite and organize the biggest event in Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan with Robert Kiyosaki, with Moira Forbes, with the ex-president of the Ferrari, Jean-Luigi. So I'm going to share with you how to produce the biggest results in your life, how to accomplish the biggest projects that you want to do in your life. So please register right now, and I'm going to see you at Millionaire Bootcamp. Bye-bye.